As the Ukrainian drone army keeps chasing down Russian tanks, they often target the top back section due to the low armor and fragile and combustible parts back there. But as this Ukrainian drone targets a T-80 tank, a fuel tank placed on the back makes the section even more enticing. But as the drone swoops down to hit the tank, it almost overshoots, making a drifting turn back, managing to hit the fuel tank, causing a quick and large explosion followed with a small fire on the back, letting the tank to keep rolling a little longer before halting to a stop, taking out another of Russia's tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.